Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Marten's Transport. Marten Transport is a well-established trucking company in the US that specializes in temperature-sensitive freight like refrigerated and frozen goods. It's known for offering steady work, modern equipment, and a focus on safety and driver comfort. From a driver's point of view, Marten offers consistent miles, weekly pay, and bonuses for things like safety, fuel efficiency, and on-time deliveries. Many drivers appreciate that the company pays attention time, layovers, and even extra stops, which isn't always the case with other carriers. The trucks are well maintained, and most comes with modern features like APU units and automatic transmissions. The company also provides regional, dedicated, and OTR over-the-road routes, giving drivers flexibility to choose what fits their lifestyle. Home time depends on the route, but many say the company tries to accommodate personal needs. On the downside, some drivers mention strict policies and communication issues with dispatch. Like many trucking jobs, experiences can vary by terminal and manager. Overall, Marten Transport is a legit and respected company in the truck industry. It's a solid choice if you're looking for consistent pay, steady routes, and a company that values experienced drivers. It may not be perfect, but it stands out for its driver-friendly policies and reliable equipment. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.